In today's fast-paced world, many individuals are seeking financial success through various avenues. Two popular options that often come to mind are remote work and online business. While both offer the potential for financial growth, remote work has several surprising advantages over online business when it comes to achieving long-term financial success. In this article, we will explore 7 compelling reasons why remote work trumps online business in terms of generating sustainable income. Stability and consistency. One of the key benefits of remote work is its stability and consistency compared to online businesses. With a remote job, you have a reliable source of income that comes from working with established companies or organizations. On the other hand, an online business can be subject to fluctuations in demand or market trends, making it less predictable. Lower risk and expenses. Starting an online business often requires significant upfront investment in website development, advertising campaigns, inventory management systems, and more. These expenses can quickly add up without any guarantee of returns. Remote work eliminates these risks by providing a stable income without the need for substantial initial investments. Access to employee benefits. Many remote jobs offer employee benefits such as health insurance coverage, retirement plans, paid time off, and professional development opportunities. Perks rarely available to those running an online business independently. These benefits not only provide financial security but also contribute to overall well-being. Reduced time commitment. Running a successful online business demands considerable time commitment, from managing customer inquiries and marketing strategies to fulfilling orders or services rendered, leaving little room for personal life or leisure activities. Remote workers generally have set working hours with minimal responsibilities outside their designated shifts. Networking opportunities. Remote jobs often involve collaborating with teams spread across different locations or even countries. A great opportunity for networking within your industry niche while expanding your professional connections globally. This network can open doors for future career advancements or even potential business partnerships. Skill development and growth. Remote work often requires individuals to develop a diverse skill set that can be applied across various projects or industries. As remote workers gain experience in different roles, they become more adaptable and versatile professionals, increasing their value in the job market. Online businesses, on the other hand, may limit skill development to specific niches. Work-life balance. Achieving a healthy work-life balance is crucial for long-term financial success and overall well-being. Remote work offers flexibility in terms of location and working hours, allowing individuals to create schedules that accommodate personal commitments while still earning a steady income. In contrast, online business owners often find themselves consumed by their ventures with little time left for personal life. In conclusion, while online businesses have gained popularity as an avenue for financial success, remote work surprisingly trumps them when it comes to stability, lower risk and expenses, access to employee benefits, reduced time commitment, networking opportunities, skill development and growth, and achieving a healthy work-life balance. By choosing remote work over online business endeavors, individuals can enjoy the advantages of reliable income streams, a supportive network of colleagues from around the world, and the ability to maintain a fulfilling personal life. When it comes down to it, remote work provides not only financial security but also valuable professional growth opportunities, making it an ideal choice for those seeking long-term financial success without the risks associated with starting an online business. So why wait? Embrace remote work today.